Betco delivers total floor care solutions for proven performance and durability. From finishes to strippers and cleaners to restorers, Betco has the innovative answers to reduced labor costs, increased efficiency, and optimized processes. The life cycle of floor care reflects the stages of maintenance processes that a typical floor undergoes as it is stripped, coated, maintained, and then eventually stripped again. A properly coated and maintained floor can virtually last indefinitely. Most floors, however, are subjected to excessive traffic and soils and a less than adequate maintenance program. This causes the life of the protective coating to be shortened dramatically. This video addresses the first phase in the life cycle of floor care: routine maintenance. Proper routine maintenance procedures are required to extend the time between interim and restorative maintenance procedures and to maintain the desired appearance level of the floor, which can only be achieved when the coating is as clean and smooth as possible. Let's get started on the proper procedures for routine maintenance. When working with any cleaning chemical, remember to wear the proper PPE and follow all other health and safety precautions. Lastly, before starting any work, place the appropriate wet floor signs in areas to be cleaned. Thoroughly vacuum all floor matting to remove soils and prevent them from being tracked onto the floor. Then remove the matting so the floor can be cleaned. A long handle scraper or a putty knife should be used to remove stickers, gum, and other debris adhered to the floor surface. Using a clean, dry dust mop, carefully sweep the entire floor surface to remove soils, then dispose of them properly. Failure to remove soils will damage the floor finish film and can cause premature deterioration of the finish. Fill an automatic scrubber with cool water and the selected Betco floor cleaner at the proper dilution rate. Attach a red scrub pad or similarly abrasive pad to the scrubber. With the squeegee down, the vacuum motor on, and brushes engaged, scrub the entire floor area at a moderate pace. Allow floor to dry before removing wet floor signs or performing further maintenance. If the area is smaller or an auto scrubber is not available, use a mop and bucket, a standard floor machine, and wet-dry vacuum. Mop on the cleaning solution and allow it to dwell for 5 minutes. Scrub with the floor machine using a red or similarly abrasive scrub pad, and then pick up the liquid with the wet-dry vac. Again, allow the floor to dry before removing wet floor signs or performing further maintenance. When using a daily cleaner alone no longer produces the desired level of appearance, it is time to use a restorer product on the floor. Betco One-Step Restorer cleans and conditions the finish for burnishing, which will enhance the appearance and slip resistance. Betco One-Step Restorer can be applied using a mop or automatic scrubber. We will be using an automatic scrubber to demonstrate this procedure. Prepare the area to be restored in the same manner as when performing routine maintenance. Fill the automatic scrubber solution tank with cool water and Betco One-Step Restorer per label directions. Attach a red scrub pad to the automatic scrubber and scrub the entire area. Once dry, burnish the floor until all the scuff marks, black heel marks, and scratches are removed to achieve a smooth, clean, highly reflective shine. Always burnish after using Betco One-Step Restorer, selecting the proper burnishing pad and burnishing machine. Dust mop the entire area to remove any residue from the floor. Another routine maintenance method is spray buffing. Prepare the area in the same manner as when cleaning the floor. Betco's specially formulated Easy Task Spray Buff is designed to remove scuffs and black marks and is effective when used with low-speed floor machines and the recommended pad. Apply Easy Task sparingly to the area being buffed using a floor machine and a white pad. Buff the area until all soils, scuffs, and black marks are removed. After spray buffing has been completed, the area should be dust mopped to remove any residue from the floor. Let's review what we have accomplished. Routine maintenance will make your floors look better and last longer. When performed properly, routine maintenance procedures will extend the time between top scrubbing or stripping your floors. Remember the steps we performed. 1. Routine cleaning, including vacuuming, mats, dust mopping, damp mopping, or using an automatic scrubber. 2. Using a restorer. And 3. Spray buffing.